Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some changes that are going to be taking place with Earn Easy commissions. Whether you are a current member or you are looking into possibly joining. Right now you can't join. They are relaunching on July 1st. And one of the things that Chuck has been very transparent about is some of the problems that they're experiencing with fraud and scammers. And unfortunately, there's been a lot of unethical people who have joined Earn Easy commissions and who have made the unfortunate decision to mislead people into joining and making false claims, making ridiculously false claims, like telling people that, you know, join now and automatically get $500. That is just a complete lie. Okay? And I can't stand people like that. So basically, what they're going to do is they're revamping the whole system. And there's still going to be a free option, and then there's going to be multiple upgrades that people can make if they want to. Okay, so I've added that information to my website in the article that I posted about it. And for free members, when you are a free member, what we're going to do basically as free members is we're going to give away a free course. And that course is going to be pretty large. It's 50 videos that will teach people how to set up their own online business and make money from their online business. Now, I don't know what those courses are, but I know that Chuck's previous courses were very good, so I don't see why these wouldn't be good as well. Okay, so you start by giving away the free course. Now, giving away the free course will not earn you any money just by doing that. But once people take the course, some of those people are going to be interested enough to upgrade. So those who upgrade in the mentoring program, the free members will receive 50% commission at $45 or $47 per month. We will get $23.50 from that. Okay? And we'll get 50% commission on $97, 50% commission on the $140 upgrade. We'll get 50% commission on the $497. Now, we won't get any commissions on the $1997. But still, this part right here, that's still awesome for a free program. Okay, I belong to other programs and none of them are offering this. Okay, so this is pretty good. Now, as I learn more, I will update this article for the new EEC that will be coming out on July 1st. So please bookmark this. Please check back. I'm going to be upgrading everything. I'm going to be watching his new videos as far as, you know, the upcoming changes and everything like that. And then I will be including those changes in this article to provide you with more information. So please come back and check it out. And I want to have it completed within the next few days and get it all updated. So thanks for watching. EEC is a legitimate opportunity, but the way people have promoted it has been very unethical, and it's unfortunate because it is a pretty good program like it was. And you know, it's unfortunate that people have chosen to be unethical. So thanks for watching, and check back later. Thanks.